guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very special video for you guys because I got a package from my friend Emma's makeup brand that she's working with called Farmasi, and I'm going to open the package. Ooh, I cannot wait till I see what products I got. And let's just open it this way. Then opening it. This box is super cute. Obsessed. And then just opening it up like this. So it comes in bubble wrap, and then this is just like the packaging that I got the order. So the first thing that I got from her is this cute mascara. It's the what is it? It's the extension lash mascara, and this is what it looks like. Super cute, and I've been wanting to get a new mascara, and yeah, so I got this one and I'll be trying it on very soon. Then I also got from Farmasi, this is the keratin shampoo. This is the shampoo, and I can't wait to try it, to use it. And then I also got the conditioner right here. So I have the shampoo, which is right here, and then I have the conditioner, which is super cute, and I just love the bottle so much, and I can't wait to try them out. So I'm going to do the mascara first, and my friend Emma, my girl Emma, was like, oh my god girl, you need to get the mascara from Farmasi, that the brand that she's working with. And I'm very proud of her. Like, I'm very proud of her. Like, I'll just open little thingy, and their stuff is very affordable too. It's not expensive, it's just very affordable. So again, this is what the mascara looks like, and I need to get up really close and personal with you guys. Yeah, this is what the wand looks like. Super cute. I'm going to put this on now. Ooh, this is one coat, and look at my lashes, like literally super cute. Like a bitch. Like what? This is so, and I'm gonna do a little bit on my bottom lashes. So I really love this mascara. Like, it looks so pretty, and it looks like I'm wearing falsies when bish. I'm not wearing falsies. I'm not. But yeah, this is what the mascara looks like, and I cannot wait to try the shampoo and conditioner. Probably tonight when I wash my hair. So yeah, big shout out to Emma. Emma, I'm so proud of you. I love you, and I can't wait to see you on your makeup journey. And yeah, I'm just ending the video here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you tap the bell to get that post notification that I posted a brand new video. And yeah, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next week with another video. Mwah.